What if I told you that the part of the watermelon you've been throwing away your whole life might actually be the most powerful part of the fruit? Think about it for a second. Every summer, every picnic, every barbecue, you enjoy that juicy, sweet red pulp, and then what happens? The rind, that pale white and green part, gets tossed straight into the trash. But here's the shocking truth. Hidden in that part of the watermelon you discard is a treasure trove of health benefits that could change the way you think about this fruit forever. Today, I'm going to show you why you should never throw away watermelon rind again, and how in just 7 days of using it, you could feel a difference in your body you never imagined. Now, let's start with the first thing most people never realize. Watermelon rind is packed with a unique amino acid called citrulline. Citrulline is not just some random compound with a fancy name. It's a natural booster for blood flow, circulation, and energy. Imagine your blood vessels opening up, your body feeling lighter, your stamina improving, not because of an expensive supplement or complicated diet, but because of something you've been throwing away your whole life. And here's the kicker. Citrulline is far more concentrated in the rind than in the juicy red pulp you love to eat. That means every time you toss that rind in the garbage, you're throwing away one of nature's most effective natural tonics for your body. But let's not stop there. Think about digestion for a moment. How many times have you felt bloated after a big meal, sluggish, heavy, or uncomfortable? Watermelon rind has natural fiber and plant compounds that act like a gentle broom for your digestive system. It keeps things moving, prevents constipation, and reduces that heavy, stuck feeling after eating. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter remedies, your body could simply benefit from what you already had on your plate. Imagine eating your favorite summer fruit and actually using all of it, knowing that it's cleaning, balancing, and supporting your gut health at the same time. Now let me ask you this. What if the secret to glowing skin was sitting right there in the part of the fruit you never eat? Watermelon rind is full of antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration power. The same compounds that protect the fruit from the harsh sun and keep it fresh can actually protect your skin from aging, dryness, and damage. Cultures around the world have used watermelon rind not only as food, but as a natural skin treatment. Some blend it into juices, some pickle it, and others even rub the fresh rind directly onto their face as a natural toner. Imagine applying something so pure, straight from nature, instead of expensive creams filled with chemicals. And here's where things get really interesting. That citrulline I mentioned earlier, it doesn't just help with blood flow in general, it has been studied for its ability to support heart health, lower blood pressure, and even improve performance in athletes. Think about this for a moment. Elite athletes spend thousands of dollars on supplements to boost their nitric oxide levels and circulation, but the very same compound is right there, in the rind of your watermelon. It's almost unbelievable, right? The food you've been tossing aside without a second thought might actually outperform some of the pills people are taking to stay young, strong, and energized. But here's the part no one talks about. Waste. Every year, tons of watermelon rind end up in landfills, rotting away, when it could be nourishing our bodies. In some cultures, like in the southern United States and parts of Asia, people actually pickle the rind and serve it as a delicacy. In others, it's blended into smoothies, stir-fried with spices, or even turned into refreshing drinks. By throwing it away, not only are we missing out on powerful health benefits, but we're also wasting food that could help feed us and protect our health. Now let's get practical. You might be wondering, how do you actually eat watermelon rind? It's not exactly as sweet or inviting as the red pulp, but here's the secret. You don't have to eat it raw and plain. You can chop it up and blend it into smoothies with pineapple, lemon, or cucumber. You can lightly pickle it with vinegar, honey, and spices, making it crunchy, tangy, and delicious. You can even juice it, combining it with the red pulp to make a powerful, hydrating drink. In fact, if you drink a glass of watermelon juice with the rind blended in before bed, you may actually notice your muscles relax, your body calm down, and your sleep improve, all thanks to that citrulline helping your circulation and recovery overnight. And let's talk about weight management for a moment. Watermelon rind is incredibly low in calories but high in water and fiber. That means it fills you up without weighing you down. If you're someone who struggles with late-night cravings, blending a bit of watermelon rind into a smoothie or snack could help curb that hunger and keep you satisfied without adding unnecessary calories. Imagine losing weight not by starving yourself, but simply by making smarter use of what nature already provides. Now let's circle back to your energy. How many times have you woken up in the morning feeling drained, even after a full night's sleep, or hit that mid-afternoon crash where you feel like you can't keep your eyes open. Watermelon rind, with its mix of hydration, minerals, and circulation-boosting compounds, can help fight that fatigue naturally. It's like flipping a switch in your body, turning on energy, focus, and stamina, all without caffeine, without sugar crashes, and without artificial boosters. And here's the emotional part of this story. Think about your parents, your grandparents, or even your children. How many times have you seen them enjoy watermelon, smile as they spit out the seeds, laugh with juice dripping down their chin? And then, every time, the rind gets tossed aside without a thought. But what if you could change that tradition? What if you could teach your family that the real magic is not just in the sweet red fruit, but in the part nobody notices? What if, years from now, your children remember that you were the one who showed them the secret to using the whole fruit, the one who didn't waste, the one who knew the real hidden power of nature? That's not just about health. That's about creating a legacy. So the next time you slice open a watermelon, pause for a second before you throw that rind away. Look at it differently. See it for what it truly is, a natural gift packed with nutrients, hydration, energy, and healing. Blend it, pickle it, juice it, stir-fry it. Don't waste it. Because inside that pale, overlooked part of the fruit is a secret that could make your digestion smoother, your skin brighter, your energy stronger, and your heart healthier. And here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, don't throw away your watermelon rind. Use it. Blend it into your morning smoothie, pickle it for your meals, or juice it before bed. Notice how your body feels. Notice your digestion, your energy, your skin, your sleep. I promise you, if you give this overlooked part of the fruit a chance, you'll never see watermelon the same way again. So, the next time you hold that rind in your hand, don't see it as waste. See it as life, energy, and healing disguised in green. Stop throwing away the best part of the fruit. Because sometimes the real secret isn't in what we eat. It's in what we've been ignoring all along. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one. Bye.